To work the four-legged knot, you would make a small stitch. Then come out perpendicular to this stitch. Try to work a single chain stitch over this stitch without plucking the fabric under. When you pull out the needle, the stitch forms a kind of a knot over the first base stitch. Pass the needle through the fabric to create the fourth leg. Let's do that again. Make the first stitch, come out perpendicular to the stitch, loop the thread over the stitch and pass the needle under it through the loop and pull out. End the stitch. I hope you liked this video. Drop a comment if you have. Also, don't forget to check the description for the link to our 600-page hand embroidery ebook, where you can learn this stitch and 300 more. Thank you so much for watching.